We'd like to get back to Israel as quickly as possible, hopefully in the spring of 2022, to do some more filming. At the moment, Israel is closed again, so we can't even make arrangements for that trip. But as soon as the gates open, we're hoping to fly over and film for 2 weeks. Did you know that we already have more drone video footage of biblical sites than any other ministry or organization that we're aware of? You know, that's only happened because people have been so generous with their financial resources in the past 6 years, and especially in our year-end campaigns. In 2022, we think we can do some filming while the tourists are still away. There may never be another year quite like this, so we are raising money now so that we can be ready to go then. Hey, thanks for taking a moment to learn about our year-end campaign here at Experience Israel Now. We're raising $50,000 by December 31st so we can be in the best position to take the life-changing message from the land of the Bible to people everywhere in 2022.